time to get a bird's eye view of things today. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today we're gonna do some flat lay photography. Flat lay photography is as simple as the name suggests. It involves photographing objects on a flat surface like a tabletop or floor, and our camera will be positioned right above what we are gonna photograph. Pretty simple, right? So we're gonna try out different frames and try to photograph different subjects. So let's get started.
For my flat lay photography, I will lay my props and stuff here on the table and have the camera right above the scene with an 80 cm opta box to one side. That will be my light source. Settings, I will shoot in the manual mode and keep my settings such that I get a fully black scene. Least ISO, and take my shutter speed to where I get a completely black image, no ambient light. Now once my settings are in place, I will turn on the flash and start clicking. I have some sewing materials at home, so let me compose this shot using a red cloth as the background. Next, with some black cloth, we can compose this in so many ways, but angle will be the same. Playing with more compositions. Placing the entire sewing box here. Now I have changed the props to include some desk essentials and a white background. Brewed a quick cup of tea for some more shots. Using curry leaves as leaves. We can click this in so many ways. My toy friend Guppy wanted to help.
So guys, flat lay photography is a great way to get started with some food or product photography, because we have just one angle and we can go wild with our creativity in so many ways. Just one angle. And if you like this video guys, give me a big thumbs up, or leave a comment down below about what you wanna watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous food photography tutorial where I give you 10 tips on how to get started with food photography. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.